Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can check source code of any web page on your Android phone. First of all, open any browser on your phone. You can open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, whatever you want. I'll open Google Chrome. Now open the web page or website for which you want to check the source code. Let's say I want to check the source code of this website. Open the website. Now tap on the URL. Click on edit button and take your cursor at the start and write view source. Now you don't have to click on the go button because it will take you to the Google, but instead you have to click this link. So this is the source code of this web page. You can view it by zooming it. But keep in mind, this is the source code of the home page. Now if I want to check the source code of any other page, let's say I want to check the source code for this page. Again, do the same. Click on the address bar, click on edit, take your cursor at the start and again write view source. Now click this link. So this is the source code for this web page now. So using this method, you can check the source code of any web page on your Android phone. And this method works on all the browsers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.